Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. Previous class we have discussed about the 8th unit, that is all important water. So in that lesson we learnt about how the water is very important to us. We use the water for various purposes and we also learn the formation of rain. What is the main source of water? Which are the natural source of water? And finally we discussed about the how we pollute the water. So these are the things we finished in the previous unit, children. Today's unit we will see the about earth, that is unit 9, our amazing earth. So in this unit, children, we are going to learn about the shape of the earth, what are the things we can see on the earth, and how earth is made up. So these are the three things we are going to discuss in this lesson. So do you know, children, in which planet we are living? Tell me. In which planet we are living? Yes, we are living on the earth. Earth is the third planet in our solar system which have the life. So only the earth planet have the life. When you see the earth, how it looks, which shape? Yes, our earth looks round in shape. Yeah, children. So what is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is round. It's round in shape. Have you seen the globe, children? Globe is the model of the earth only. When you see the globe, the same as it is our earth. So we say the globe is the model of the earth. So now we'll see what are the things we can see on the earth. So on the earth we can see the ocean, seas, river which flow here and there. Because of the water bodies only, our earth also called the blue planet. Because of the water bodies, our earth is called the blue planet. So on this earth there is a 72% of water only. 72% area is covered with the water bodies, that is oceans, rivers, lakes, streams. So 72% on the earth is covered with the water bodies. So our earth is also called the blue planet. See, water bodies. Okay, children. So on this earth, there is a more place is covered by the water bodies only, and the remaining place, here we can see this is a land where we are living. So on this earth we can see the water bodies, trees we can see, here and there we can see the green parts on the globe, on the earth. That green part is called the forest area. Green part, that is called the forest area. So because of this greenery only, our planet is also called the green planet. Okay, children. So here on this earth you can see the large part is covered with the water bodies and the less part is covered with the land, and we can find the numbers of trees and forest area also. So on this earth we can see the mountains, valleys, things means we all human beings, animals, birds, insects, trees, plants, all are living on this earth. So the earth is also called the living planet because there is a life. Yeah, no children? So this is the earth. What is the shape of the earth, children? The shape of the earth is round. What is the shape? The shape of the earth is round. Shape. Shape is round. So round in shape. And our earth, you can see here, our earth is made up of land and water bodies. This is the land and the remaining part is what here? Water bodies. So how our earth is made up of? Our earth is made up with land and water. Okay, children. So whatever we need to survive on this earth, everything we can see on this earth. What we need to survive on this earth, children? Yes, air, water and food. So whatever we need, that everything we get on this earth to survive. Yeah, children, air for what? To breathe, water to live, and then finally food. Food also need, no? So when there is a water, we can see the trees and plants that will get the food. If there is a air, then plant and the trees can survive. All living things can survive. Yes or no? Yes. So whatever we need, the basic things, all the things we get on this earth. So the earth is also called the living planet. Here, earth have the thin atmosphere. This is called the atmosphere. So this part is called upper part. It is called the what? It's called the atmosphere. So atmosphere, in that atmosphere we can see the number of gases. Atmosphere. Which gas we breathe, children? Yes, we breathe oxygen. So that oxygen we get in the where? We get in the atmosphere. So this oxygen is very important to survive on this earth. So where we get it? We get in this atmosphere only. Yes, children. So this thin layer is called the atmosphere. Okay, children. Now here I will show the globe. Globe is what? Globe is the model of the earth which represent the places, states, countries, capitals, rivers, seas, oceans, islands, everything we can see on this small globe. It is a model of the earth, children. See the globe. See, globe is the model of the earth. What is the shape of the globe? Here you can see the shape of the globe is round. Just you can see it is round in shape, which represent all the things. See, here you can see the countries, states, oceans, everything you can see on this globe. Yana children, it looks like a earth only. How the earth rotate? So like that, the here globe also rotate. You can see. Yana children. So what is the shape of the globe here? The shape of the globe is round. Yana children, we can see all the countries, continent, everything we can see on this globe. So here you can see, children, this part this state, country, this part is called the land. The question I asked now, how the earth is made up of, see, earth is made up of land and water. Here you can see on this globe, this part is called the land. You know, our earth is made up of land. And this blue color you can see it's a water bodies. You know, see, this is the water bodies. See, large area is covered with the water bodies. So, our earth is also called the blue planet. Clear, children? So, what is the shape? Yes, it's a round shape. So, earth is made up of land and water. Okay, children? Yes. So, how the earth is made up of? The earth is made up of land and water. Okay, children? So, more than half of the earth, more than half of the part is covered with the water. So, it is also called the blue planet. You can see it's called the blue planet. Okay, the rest is land. This land where we live. You can see now here yellow, brown color. This is the land where we live, children. Okay. So, on this earth we can find the numbers of mountains. But children, that all mountains are not the same. It is different from each other. Everywhere, if you go to the other side, like if you go to the Ghat section, you can see that mountains are not too much big. But when you go to the Himachal, Jammu Kashmir, then you can see the two big mountains, very big mountains. Too much it is big. If you stand down and you can see that mountain, how it looks like that all the mountains are goes into the sky. They are touching to the sky because they are very big. It is too big. They are too much height. You know. So we see all the mountains are not the same in everywhere. They are different to each others. You know, children. So on this earth, we can see the numbers of mountains also. You can see here. See the mountains are, some are very big, some are small. See the shape, it is not the same. Yeah, my children. So these are called the what? Mountains. Mountains means what? Buddha. So these are called the mountains. Here in the middle you can see the in between of the mountain there is a place. In between of the mountain, that area is called the valleys. What is called? It's called the valleys. And there is some smaller mountains also there. Those are called these are the small. Those are called the hills. What they call? Hills are not too high. They are very short. They are very small. Okay, land that height is lesser than mountain is called the hills. Down we can see this area is called the plains. Plains means what? Which land is a flat where we are living? Flat land, samtal land. That is called the plains. Here we can see the houses, trees, everything we can see on this flat land only. Okay, children, so land that is very high. The land that is very high is called a mountain. In between of the mountain, this area is called this land is called a valley. Okay, children. The flat land is called called the plains, where we can see the houses, trees, all the things where we are living. That area is a plain area. Okay, children? So, our earth is covered with the mountains, valleys, hills and plains. We can see on this earth stones also, stones, rocks, sand, soil. Those all things are different from each other. All the things are different from each other. When you go to the beach side, you can see that soil is like a sand, like a reti. So that soil means what, Pandu? So that soil is different. You know? And when you go to the outside, that soil you see, that soil is yellow color, it is a different. Black soil also comes, black soil, red soil, alluvial soil, then sand, rocky. So these all the soils are different. We can see no clay toys. With that you are playing, no, sometimes that clay is different. That soil is different. Black soil, it is a sticky. It is a sticky. We can make with that soil numbers of toys, numbers of playing things. The same soil, like a red soil, it is a very slippery. If there is a waterfall, that means you will slip on that. Slip you will. But if you see the sand, desert, in the desert, it is very difficult to walk because that soil is different only. You know? So all the soils are different. When you go to the river side, you can find some stone, black stones. Black stone, green stone, brown stones. The stone also, the shape of the stone also, it is a change only. Some are very big, some are very small, some are very soft, some are very smooth. You know? You are playing no stone. Yes. So some stones are too much small and they are very soft. Some stones are some pebbles. Pebbles means what? Small stones which you can find near to the beach side, near to the river side. That stones are called the pebbles. Very small, very soft, colorful pebbles, colorful stones we can say. Yeah, the children? So if you see the size of that pebbles also, pebbles, we can see the size also different. Some are too small, very small and it gets very soft and very small. And very smooth it is. When you touch, you will feel very smooth, very soft. So that stones are called the pebbles. Like these stones, like these pebbles, we will get near to the river side or beach side. In the aquarium, fish tank, you can observe. In the fish tank, you can observe, people use the stones, colorful stones. That is called the pebbles. That is the small pebbles they will use. And all the stones colors are, it is a different only. And the size also different. Yeah, the children. If you see the rocks, rock of the different size, stone, then pebbles, these all are different. Even the soil also different. In your classroom, if in your class there is a 30 students are there, how many 30 students? All children look same only? All are look same? No, they are different in color, shape, size. All are different to each other. Like that only here, all kinds of rocks, stones, pebbles, soils, they all are different to each other in size, in shape and colors also. If you come to the trees on this earth, we can find the numbers of trees. All the trees also, the shape, the size, the colors, in the flower, foods, all are different to each other. Whether they look same? No. All are different. Some are too tall, some plants are too small, some are smaller than plant, they are called the shrub and bushes. See, everything, whatever we find on this earth, mountain, hills, plains, soil, trees, rocks, everything are different to each other. They not look same everywhere. They are different in color, in shape and size also. Yeah, no, children? So, soil is very important. Soil is very important. Soil means what? Mando, I said, no? With the soil, in the olden times, they are building the house. Kacha house, you can see, no? Yes. It is made up of the soil only. They use the soil to construct, to build the house, and that house is called the what? Kacha house. See here, what they use here to build this house? They use the soil only. They use the mud to build this house. Okay, children. Not only this, only the house, mud is used for various purposes in the agriculture. The crops are depends upon the soil only, because all the crops won't grow in the same soil. If you see the black soil, in that black soil we can see the cotton, wheat, rice crops. So like that, all the soils are suitable for the different kinds of the crops only. Clear, children? So we say the soil is very important for the cultivations to grow the crops. Okay, children? So the highest mountain, or we can say the Himalayan mountains, where we can see in the top of the India map. See here. So here up part, this is the top part of the India map, head of the India map. Here we can see the number of Himalayan mountains. Yeah, the children, so in this area we can see the number of Himalayan mountains. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. What is the height? 8,848 kilometer. That is the world highest peak in the world, and that mountain we can see in the Himalayan mountains. Okay, students, where it is? In Jammu and Kashmir, and they are in India only. Okay, children, they are in India only. So these all the things we can find on this earth. Up you can see here this area. I written a Himalayan mountain. This area is covered with the mountain, and also it is covered with the snow, ice. So this area always you can see, this area, especially this part, it looks like white color because here we can see the snow. These mountains are covered with the snow only. So we say the snow mountain. Okay, children. So this Himalayan mountains covered with the snow only. It is called the snow mountain. Clear? So this is about our earth. So here, children, I will show you the one small video clip. Then you will understand what are the things we can see on this earth. See, children, this is our earth. Earth is the third planet in our solar system. We are so lucky to be living on earth. Earth has life. No other planet has life. Air and then water. See the atmosphere of the earth. The thin layer is called atmosphere. Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases. So it's called the atmosphere. The atmosphere protects our earth from the harmful rays of the sun. See the earth. We have the oxygen, nitrogen gases. The important gas is oxygen and nitrogen. Other gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen we can see. This present in very small quantity. See the water on earth. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. See the 3/4 part, and the 1/4 part is land, which consists of soil, sand and rocks. See the ocean and sea, biggest bodies of salt water, which water we cannot drink. See the mountains, hills. This is a fresh water. These all are water bodies. These water bodies are found in nature. See, these are lakes and ponds. Plains, see, plains, flat lands where we are living. And this side it is a hills and mountains, higher than plains. Mountains are the highest place in the world. See the peak. Forest are areas where many trees grows. See, these trees are very close to each other. See children, our earth. So children, in today's class we have discussed about the earth. The same thing I will continue in the next session children. Thank you.